We're recording. So basically, I've got this project, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to make hitboxes. So look, currently the cat moves with me. Yeah, it goes to my mouse pointer. I have this simple script. Anybody could do it. And yeah. So today we're making hitboxes. So if you are trying to find out what hitboxes are, so you will find out in a few bits into this episode. So I'm just gonna pause this and show you the next script. So I got this simple script that you can probably copy. What it does is checks if it's touching color. Now, or else I'm gonna make it go to the mouse pointer. That should be pretty easy to copy. And once you've done that, we can make this next script. So this basically checks if the X position starts with a minus like mine over here, then it'll change its X by 1, a positive number. So here is a negative number, but then it'll start going positive, so it'll go this way. Now this is important because we might be doing a positive number every time, so it might be here going into the wall, but no, it's checking. If it's not, it'll go this way, so this is a positive number, but it'll go negative number. So you put that in the else here, and this is the code. And you can do the same thing with the Y position. It's pretty easy. Also, if you have the splash add-on, you can just change it. The only things you have to change is this to Y position and change Y by. And that's basically it for that. And yeah, now I'm just gonna wait for it to go to the mouse pointer. Now you can see it slowly sinking out. Now there's a problem with this. See, this looks really bad. Like imagine you're playing platformer game and this is what you see. So that's why we are gonna put this in this. We are gonna make a custom block, and we are gonna call it collisions, which I actually already had ready. So we got collisions. Now what you have to do for this is you put it in a state. So you press edit. And you do this thing. It says run without screen refresh. So this basically means it'll run, but it'll do it so quickly that you won't even notice. And we'll put this in a forever loop, and our collisions should be working pretty well. Yep, it's super instant. Now here's the problem. Look at his whiskers. You can see they're colliding. This is why we actually need hitboxes. So you look at how glitchy this is. So many things are colliding in because he has so many body parts. This is why I also use Scratch Cat as an example. He has whiskers, he has a tail, he has ears. Like, you don't want your ears to be colliding. Now that's where the hitbox comes. So I'll be showing you how to make a hitbox. So I already kind of did make a hitbox. But yeah, basically what you do is, it doesn't have to be a rectangle. I'm just doing a rectangle, but yeah, you just draw over the spine and only put it on the parts where you want to be collided. So don't put it on the whiskers, because if you put it on the whiskers, it'll be colliding, and it won't, and you know why. It's bad. So yeah, this is gonna also be an easy way. So once you've done that, once you made the hitbox, I'm just gonna make a quick hitbox. Once you made a hitbox, this is the actual hitbox. This is the actual hitbox. You would delete this, delete that, just all parts of your body of your sprite, and then you press copy, and then delete it. Then you would make a new sprite by pressing this paper split, and then paste it in. But since this is the actual hitbox, I'm going to delete that one. But I do have one right here. So now basically the cat does not have to do any of these collision scripts anymore. All of this we can throw out the window when I find the when brief like script. That will take me some time, so pause. Okay, I done it. Yep. So basically the when brief I click here. Now you can take out collisions And we'll take out go to mouse pointer. Oopsie. Then put that here. And then we'll change this else to an if. Then put collisions in there, into that, and when you're shaking, you know it's ready, and then you can delete this whole script. But if you want, you can keep it, because it won't do anything, so I'm going to do that just in case. Now basically, this is running the script. Now there's only one thing missing from here. So we're actually going to turn this back into an else. I forgot about that, so sorry for those guys who know how to scratch on. And then we're going to put go to cat. Oh yeah, we're also going to call this sprite hitbox, because this is the hitbox. Oh yeah, if you're going to make hitboxes for multiple sprites, I don't really recommend this way. Maybe you could do this with clones, which we will be explaining more about in another video if you guys don't know about that. But yeah, this is our simple hitbox. If you're if you're not really much of a noob scratcher like me, maybe like a starter, pro, something like that, then this shouldn't be too hard for you. So first of all, I hided this. Second of all, the cat has no more collisions. So the reason why is because it's not actually going back, it's just following our mouse pointer. And oh yeah, I also forgot, I need to delete this costume. Okay. So this actually has no script, so that was my fault. Forever. Collisions. That should work. And now, that hitbox pretty much works. That hitbox is still a bit glitchy, but it does work pretty much. But then we will be able to see this glitch, and you'll see why in just a second. Now, first of all, we're gonna add a hide block. Well, before we do that, I'm actually gonna make a new broadcast message. Call it collide. This will be my broadcast message. I'll actually do this off camera, just to save some. So what you do is you get the broadcast collide, and you can put that in over here. Then what you do is you copy and paste this script. You take that and you bring it to the cat. And now the cat should have it again. Now this... Oh wait, actually our cat also has collisions already. So what we do is we take this out, because we don't need that anymore. And we'll take this out there. Then do what I received, collide. Okay. Now it stops moving. Now there's no that glitchiness with the scratch cat, which is pretty good. There is a bit of a wobble, but we can't really fix that. Now we need to actually change the hitbox. Now we actually can see the hitbox, but here's the problem. Let's say I hide the hitbox. Oh yeah, actually, we should also put this. Let's get back that repeat until not touching. Let's get back that not touching color or border. I actually forgot about that. Touching color. I'm actually gonna pause the video. Sorry guys, I'll have to do a part 2, so bye.